That's the door of someone who ignores diabetes. Today you walk through on your feet. Tomorrow you may be pushed on a stretcher. Diabetes doesn't give second chances to those who put off taking care of themselves. Get tested, monitor your diet, and follow your treatment. There's a bed waiting for those who don't take care of themselves. Do you know who occupies that bed? People who thought it was no big deal. Don't wait for diabetes to knock you down before you take action. Take care of your health today. Your future will thank you.